What's up, guys? It's a beautiful morning out here on the Hiwassee River, and me and my boy Gump right over here rolling the hose out. We got a little project for you today. Yep, we're on a dock right here on the water, and it's early, cold in the morning, water's going down, and we're gonna show you how to frame up a closet and put Hardie siding on it right here on this dock on the Hiwassee River. All right, so check it out. This is one of the larger docks on the river right here. I think this thing's like, I don't know, 1,800 square feet or something. I'm not sure, but anyways, that one's under construction. Got more work to be done to it. And then I've got my framing crew right up here building a set of stairs and a deck going up the hill for the homeowners. But that's not what we're doing today. What we're doing today is building a closet right over here in the corner. We're building an 8-foot wide by 3-foot front to back closet. So I've already got it laid out on the ground, putting my plates on the back and just gonna stick frame those. Then we'll stand up the walls on the front and sides to continue on. But we just wanted to make sure we got that one perfectly straight and square with the dock, since it has these 2 posts in it. So let me get these plates on here and I'll get back with you and show you a little bit more of the process. We are done framing this thing up, ready for plywood. It's about lunchtime, and let me flip it around. I'm gonna show you what we've done here. So here it is. Let me step back, see if you can see the whole thing. But there's the frame closet. Oh yeah, I know it's a little overkill on that 2x12 header, but we used what we had. So I've got all these corners. I block all these corners out, so once you get the corner boards on, you still have nailable area for your Hardie siding, so you can always nail into studs and not be nailing into the plywood. But so there it is, all framed up. We've got it framed up around the post. Let me walk up here on the bank, give you a little bit more of a show. So there it is right there. Now we're getting ready to cut the plywood and put it on, and then we'll move on to the siding. All right, we're on the last piece of plywood here. So I'm gonna let Gump show you this closet here. We've got all the plywood on it. And now we're about to move on to the trim part. And you might be asking, where's the house wrap? Why didn't you use zip system? Why don't you have flashing tape and all that? Well, we're on the Hiwassee River, and this river right here, it comes up sometimes to here, up to my chest sometimes, 4 feet above this dock, and soaks everything. So this plywood right here gets soaking wet in this siding, and it's got all that house wrap on it. What's it matter anyways? So this one right here is going to get some custom doors built by someone else. So we're not going to be installing a standard French door like we do on some of the other closets that we've built. So stay tuned. We're about to put the MirTech corner boards on, and then we're going to install the Hardie. Let me bring you up to speed. It's getting to be about 4 o'clock out here. I got Gump over here on the microphone. He's cutting all the pieces of Hardie for me. We got them all laid out. And I'm gonna spin the camera around and I'm gonna show you the trim and what we got going on right here. All right, so we've started the siding up this side, but I wanted to show you we've got it all boxed out with our MirTech. Let me step back here. We've got these sides right here boxed out, and we're just cutting whatever fits good as far as what we can get out of our 12-foot sheets of Hardie, and we can get like 2 fronts, a side, and a back. So we're really making use of this stuff. But anyways, so we got this side out here that we got to do. But let me show you inside this thing too. So inside here, it's got an open top right now. They'll do the wiring and probably put a light or something in here. I'm not sure. But then they'll probably box that off so the birds and everything don't get in there. But check it out how beautiful it is. And then it's going to get all caulked up and painted. And all the gaps we're leaving in the proper way to install the Hardie and all that junk. Gump and I just finished off the closet, just put the last piece on, started rolling the tools up. I know it's starting to get a little bit dusky out here, getting dark on the action camera, but I want to turn it around and show y'all our finished product. And first, I'm going to give you a view of this river right here from this dock, because it's just absolutely beautiful. And we haven't even seen anybody out here but like one kid was swimming, which it's cold out, and they swam across to the island. But I don't know, I can't believe people aren't out on their docks hanging out, you know, drinking a beverage, eating dinner, hanging out with their family. I just don't get it. But let's turn it around, show you the beautiful river, and then I'll take you over here and show you our final product. Absolutely beautiful, quiet. You can't hear anything out here, just wildlife. So without further ado, Gump's coming down the dock. We're going to show our final product here, and it's good. It'll be so much more beautiful when it gets painted and gets the barn doors on it. But as of right now, use your imagination. Look at this thing, this beautiful Hardie siding, all trimmed out to perfection, just like we do every single time. Let me step back here. Nice little closet right here to put all your stuff, your boating needs, cushions for your chairs, and whatever you want to store in here. Check it out around here on the side with the ladder. It goes all the way up. And let me walk you right around here to the back where we were on ladders. And yeah, it was a struggle getting out on those ladders, but I did it. I want to thank y'all for coming out and watching Gump and I build this closet on this dock. We had a great time today. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go down there and join the family by smashing that subscribe button. Hit the bell to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.